Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android or iOS devices without backup. If you have accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages and you don't have backup of those messages on iCloud or anywhere else, then this is the video for you. In this video I am going to show you how you can recover any kind of deleted WhatsApp messages from your Android or iOS devices. So please watch this video till the end and I'll show you everything step by step. And if you find this video helpful by any means, then please share it with your friends. Sharing is always free, guys. It doesn't cost anything. So with that being said, let's begin. Okay, now I'm gonna delete some WhatsApp messages just to show you how you can get them back. So let's say I'm going to delete these messages. As you can see in this, there are some photos, videos, some attachments. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to show you how you can get such kind of deleted WhatsApp messages back. So let's say I want to delete this one as well. It's deleted. Now let's say I want to delete this one as well. As you can see, now those messages are gone. Now let me show you how you can get those kind of deleted WhatsApp messages back. Okay, in order to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, you are going to need a data recovery software. Now there are a lot of data recovery softwares out there, but today in this video we are going to use a software that will allow you to recover data from both iOS and Android devices, and the software is called Dr. Phone Data Recovery. Here it says iOS data recovery, but you don't have to worry. Just install this software into your computer. It's going to work on both devices. This software is also available for Mac users. So just go ahead, download and install the software. After that, open it up. As you can see, this software is world's best content management software, especially designed for Android and iOS devices. With this software, you can do a lot of things, like you can recover any kind of deleted files from Android or iOS device, which we are going to talk about in this video. You can also transfer files from your computer to your phone or phone to computer. You can also transfer data from one phone to another, from iOS to Android or Android to iOS, etc. You can also backup and restore your phones. With this software, you can also unlock pattern or pin code of your Android or iOS devices without losing data. And one of my favorite features of the software is backup and restore social media apps, such as you can backup your WhatsApp messages, you can transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another, and all those stuffs. And I might make videos about these features in the future, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. So in order to recover deleted messages from your WhatsApp account, you're going to have to select recovery option from here. Just click on it. Now select your device to recover data from. As you can see here, it's giving you two options: recover from Android device or recover from iOS device. So I'm going to select recover from iOS device because I'm going to recover from my iPhone. Click on it. Now it's going to ask you to connect your phone to PC with a USB cable. So I'm just going to connect it. As you can see, my phone is connected. Okay, now you can see for iOS devices, this software is going to give you three options to recover data from. First option is recover from an iOS device, and the other one is recover from iOS backup file if you have any. And the third one is recover from iCloud backup. So in my case, I'm going to recover from an iOS device. After that, select the type of files that you want to recover. In my case, I'm going to recover WhatsApp messages with attachments. So I'm just going to select this option. As you can see, with this software, you can recover a lot of things, like you can recover deleted messages, contacts, call history, photos, videos, and all those stuff. So I'm just going to select WhatsApp messages, then click on Start Scan. And it's going to start scanning your phone for deleted WhatsApp messages. Okay, now the scanning process has begun. Now this is going to take time depending on how much messages you have deleted. So I'm just going to pause the video over here and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, now you can see the scanning process is completed. As you can see, these are the WhatsApp messages that were deleted from my iPhone. And these are the attachments, which I cannot show you because these are my personal files. In order to save them, just click on this option to select all, then click on recover to computer. If you are recovering from an iOS device, this software will give you an option to recover those messages and save them to your computer only. If you are recovering from an Android device, you might have options to restore these messages back to your device. Before making this video, I've tried 2 or 3 data recovery softwares, but all of them were the same thing. All of them were allowing me to recover these messages to my computer, not on my iPhone. I also asked developer of the software whether it's possible to restore those messages back to iPhone. They said no, because of some Apple's restriction. And they said there's no software that will allow you to restore deleted WhatsApp messages back to your iPhone. Now, once you have selected your file, just click on recover to computer. Now select a place where you want to save these messages. So I'm going to save it on my documents. Then I'm going to click on recover. Okay, once the recovery process is completed, it's going to open up the folder automatically. As you can see, there will be 2 folders. One is WhatsApp, in which you will have all your messages, and the other one is WhatsApp attachment, in which you must have your photos or videos and all those stuffs. So that's it, guys. That is how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages from an Android or iOS devices. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to this channel with notification on. And I'll catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.